Hello Year 2, we're going to start our maths lesson today with a game of Daily 10. So that means that you need to go and grab yourself a piece of paper and a pencil, or if you're at school, your whiteboard and your pen, and write a list numbered 1 to 10 at the side of your paper or whiteboard, ready to jot down the answers to each question in the challenge. Don't get flustered by the timer. It doesn't matter if there's not enough time for you to answer the question, it's just a little bit of fun. So if you have to leave one or a couple or more, don't worry. Enjoy! Today we're going to be halving up to 10. I'm going to give you 15 seconds to work out each answer. Ready? Let's go. Half of 16. Half of 8. Half of 6. Half of 2. Half of 18. Half of 14. Half of 4. Half of 12. Half of 20. Half of 10. Okay, let's look at the answers. So question 1, half of 16 is 8. Question 2, half of 8 is 4. Question 3, half of 6 is 3. Question 4, half of 2 is 1. Question 5, half of 18 is 9. Question 6, half of 14 is 7. Question 7, half of 4 is 2. Question 8, half of 12 is 6. Question 9, half of 20 is 10. And question 10, half of 10 is 5. Well done everybody. Good morning Year 2 and welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. Yesterday you all did so well with your finding a third practically, so today we're going to move on to using picture representations to find a third. So to be successful today, you need to know that a third is one of 3 equal parts, and you need to be able to find a third of an object or number by sharing into 3 groups. Let's look at this problem together. Use the cubes to make 3 equal groups. So I have got over here a picture of cubes, and I'm going to use these cubes here to recreate that picture. So one blue one and a green one, blue, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, green, blue and green. Let's use our sharing boxes to help find a third. So remember, when we're looking at fractions, every part must be equal. So one blue one in this one blue one there, one blue one there, one blue one here, another blue one in the middle, and one at the end. Green, 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 green. Are those thirds equal, Year 2? Yes. Let's count how many cubes there were altogether. 4 and another 4 is 8, and 4 more than 8 is, so 8 in my head, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 cubes altogether. 1/3 of 12 is 4, because there are 4 cubes in every box. Let's write that as a fraction. In fact, can you write it with me on your piece of paper or on your whiteboard? Ready? Let's see who can write it first. Go. 1/3 of 12 is 4. Good job, Year 2. Circle 1/3 of each group of items. Complete the number sentences. Okay, so remember what we know about thirds. 1/3 is when we have 3 equal groups. So we're going to use sharing with the flowers. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that group. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that group. Are those groups equal? Yes. So can you tell me what 1/3 of 15 is, Year 2? Nice and loud. 5. Well done. Who can explain why it's 5? Yes, you at the front. Go. Well done. What a super explanation, because there are 5 in every group. Okay, can you solve B on your own? Pause the video here and come back when you're ready. You've also got to write a number sentence. Off you go. Okay, so we were finding out 1/3 of 9. So let's find 1/3 of 9. Group 1, Group 2 and Group 3. Are these groups equal? Yes. And we found out that 1/3 of 9 was 3. Well done, Year 2. Let's do some more of those pictures. Okay, Year 2, this time I'd like you to pause the video here and I'd like you to write A and B on your piece of paper or your whiteboard, and I'd like you to spend a couple of moments working out what 1/3 of the objects is for A and B. So pause here and come back when you're ready. Okay, so we're looking for thirds. The first thing we need to do is make sure we have 3 equal groups. So let's go for the bicycles first. Let's go this way. 1, 2. Oh, there's only 2 groups. So I can't find a third that way. Let's start again. Let's go the other way. Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. That's better. Are those groups equal, Year 2? Yes, they are. How do we know they are equal? Fantastic, because they have the same number of objects in each. 2, 2, and 2. So the answer for A is 2. A third of the objects is 2. What about B? Let's solve together. Group 1 and Group 2. Oh, what's happened here? I've only got 2 groups, so I can't find a third that way. Let's try grouping them a different way. Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. Are those groups equal, Year 2? Yes, we've got 2 in each. So a third of the objects is 2 again. Well done. Okay, let's try this problem. Let's read it first. Rosie is organising her teddy bears. She donates 1/3 of them to charity. What does that word donate mean? Well done. It means give. If you donate something, you give it. So she's giving her teddies to charity. She's given 1/3 of them to her charity. How many bears does she have left? So this problem isn't asking us what 1/3 is. It's asking us to work out how many bears she has left. So we know with thirds we need 3 equal groups. Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. So there are our bears sorted into thirds. Let's recheck our question to find out what we needed to do. Rosie is organising her teddy bears. She donates 1/3 of them to charity. How many bears does she have left? So, if we know the word donates means to give away, what do you think I need to do to 1/3 of my bears? Yes, I need to give them away. So in maths, what word might you use if you're giving something away? Taken away. So let's take away 1/3 of the bears. Ready? Goodbye, bears. Okay, let's work out how many bears Rosie has left. 3 in this group and 3 more. So double 3 is 6. She has 6 bears left. Let's do some fluency questions. You did this yesterday. You were super good with your fluency. So let's do A first. 1/3 of 9. I'm going to draw myself 3 circles. You might want to draw 3 circles as well, or you might want to use a bar model, whatever you want to use. And we're going to find 1/3 of 9. So are you ready to find 1/3? If you're not ready, pause the video now until you're ready. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 3 in this third, 3 in this third, 3 in this third. What's 1/3 of 9? 3. Fantastic. Okay, let's do another one. This time, Let's go for a third of 15. So draw out your circles again. Okay, let's go it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well done. So, how many in this third? 5. How many in this third? 5. How many in this third? 5. What's a third of 15? 5. Good job, year 2. Okay, let's do the next one together. So you get your circles ready while I'm getting myself sorted as well. And are we ready to find a third of 12? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we've got 4 and 4 and 4. So a third of 12 is 4. Amazing stuff. And last one. Get yourself ready. Rub out your jottings. Ready for a third of 18. Are you ready? Pause me if you're not. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we've got 6 in this third, 6 in this third, 6 in this third. What is a third of 18? 6. Well done. Okay, let's look at some problem solving together. Annie has a piece of ribbon. She cuts it into 3 equal parts. 1/3 of the ribbon is 6 centimetres long. How long would half the ribbon be? Oh, that's a tricky one, isn't it, year 2? We know that she cuts it into 3 equal parts. 1/3 of the ribbon is 6 centimetres. But we need to find out how long would half a ribbon be. So what do you think the first thing is we need to do? We need to find the whole. How do we do that? Let's draw ourselves 3 sorting circles. You might want to draw a bar model or solve it a different way, but I'm just going to use sorting circles today. And we need to put in a third. So we know that in every third there's going to be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you've got 6 and 6 and 6. 6 and 6 is 12. 12 and 6 is 18. So we now know that the whole ribbon is 18 centimetres long. Is that the answer we're looking for though? No, well done. Because the question says, how long would half the ribbon be? So we now need to find half of 18. So let's draw 2 sorting circles this time. Why have I drawn 2 sorting circles if I want to find half of 18? Good, because half is shared between 2 equal groups. Are we ready to find half of 18? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's see how many centimetres are in each half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 centimetres. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 centimetres. So how long would half a ribbon be? 9 centimetres. Well done, year 2.